Hi all, in this lecture we'll talk about what is Pim, what is its importance, and what are the key benefits of having a Pim solution. So a product information management solution is a business application that provides a single place to collect, manage, and enrich your product information and then distribute it to your sales and e-commerce channels. So it not only allows managing and enriching product information, but also related digital assets across different teams to provide an engaging product experience and then successfully sell the product. A PIM solution is master data fueled, process driven application for collaborating on product content. A PIM solution makes it faster and easier to create and deliver compelling product experiences. So moving to the next slide, we'll talk about importance of PIM. In simple terms, PIM tool or PIM solution makes the product information management process fast, efficient, and productive. With a PIM, everyone involved can collaborate to get products ready for sale on time and on budget. So whether you are selling B2B, business to business, or business to customer, delivering engaging product experiences is key success factor for your business. Your customers would expect to have a rich, relevant, and trusted product information across different channels. But usually what we have seen that product information is incomplete, fragmented, and are in siloed systems. So teams like digital marketing, merchandising, product management, or e-commerce websites cannot get a complete view of your product information. They have to spend a lot of time manually managing those product information or exchanging emails about product content both internally and with external groups. So if you are onboarding data from different suppliers or creative agencies, companies that are not able to manage and collaborate on their product information effectively miss out opportunities. So in today's fast world, you have to grab all the right opportunities by having your product information up to date. They can lose revenue and market share. But more importantly, they struggle to deliver engaging product experiences that are required to build brand loyalty. Now, PIM helps standardize the increasingly complex demands of product content. It allows you to easily syndicate trusted, enriched, and high quality product information to sales and marketing channels. With right PIM strategy and a consistent accessible source for your product information, you can speed up workflows and time to market. Quickly identify and assess products' data quality issues, capitalization on emerging market opportunities, and ultimately deliver a positive product experience to your customers, which would be your end goal. So next we'll talk about PIM benefits. The main benefits are faster time to market, increased brand loyalty, ability to sell more products faster, including cross-sell and upsell opportunities, improved operational efficiencies by streamlining critical workflows and cross-functional collaborative data enrichment, better product data quality and compliance with industry standards, a more engaging omni-channel product experiences. I'll see you in next lecture. Thank you.